company softball game.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir.
Who's winning?
So my team's winning over here. I think Rob's team's winning over there. The winners of each game is going to play each other. Go Raiders! See what happens.
Nice.
Feels great, man.
What are you feeling right now, Rob?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling old. You know, it's my birthday. I'm old. I'm getting old. I'm feeling old. My shins hurt. I'm ready for a nap. Maybe some prune juice. You know, but it feels good.
Awesome.
Culture winning out here, buddy.
Heck yeah.
Well, winning.
What are you guys doing out here today?
We put together a little softball tournament for a little bit of team camaraderie, team building. Just so happened we had to reschedule it. Wasn't supposed to be my birthday, but just so happened that it is. Just out here trying to have a good time, man, and build a team and build a culture of teamwork, and you know that's the kind of culture that we have strived to build.
Heck yeah, man. It looks like you got a bunch of families, a big, huge team. Looks like everybody's having a great time.
They are. Hey, you brought your kid.
Yeah.
I've got my wife, Dylan's wife. They're expecting 40 weeks.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you. My wife here, she has another member of our team's baby with her.
Eventually, yeah.
So, yeah, it's we're definitely a family type of company.
Very cool, man. All right, well, congratulations on the game-winning catch.
Thank you.